Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google safe browsing protections on your device. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Google safe browsing protections on your device, start by opening your preferred web browser. This guide will primarily focus on Google Chrome. Launch Google Chrome on your device. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to access the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Within this section, locate Security. Click on Security to view your protection options. You will see various security settings related to safe browsing. Select the option that reads Standard Protection. This option provides basic protection against dangerous websites. For enhanced security, you may choose Enhanced Protection. This setting actively warns you about potentially harmful sites and downloads. Once you make your selection, Chrome will automatically enable safe browsing features. To ensure your settings are applied, close the Settings tab. You can test safe browsing by visiting a site known for its safety warnings. If you receive a warning message, your settings are working correctly. For other browsers, like Firefox, open the browser and access the Settings menu. Look for Privacy and Security in the options. Enable block dangerous downloads similar to safe browsing. For Safari, go to Preferences under the Safari menu. Select the Privacy tab and enable fraudulent sites. Lastly, for Microsoft Edge, launch it in Access Settings. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Under Security, enable the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Regularly check your settings to keep your device secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.